Today I'm going to teach you how to change the host in Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to hand over meeting control to someone else, whether you're stepping away or simply want another participant to manage the session. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can see all your meeting options. Next, join a meeting that's currently active. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link you've received, entering a meeting ID, or selecting a scheduled meeting from your list. This step is essential because you can only transfer host privileges while you're actually in an active meeting session. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find various controls for managing your meeting experience. Locate and click on the button labeled Participants. This will open up the Participants panel typically on the right side of your screen, showing you everyone who's currently in the meeting with you. Now comes the important part. In the Participants panel, you'll see a list of all attendees. Click on or simply hover over the name of the person you want to make the new host. This could be a coworker, team member, or anyone else in the meeting who you trust to take over hosting duties. When you hover over their name, additional options will appear. Look for the three dotted lines next to their name and click on them. This will open a small menu with several options for managing that participant. From this menu, select Make Host. This option is specifically designed to transfer all hosting privileges to the person you've selected. After you click Make Host, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. This is Zoom's way of making sure you really want to transfer control, as this action will give the new host full control over the meeting settings and participants. In this confirmation box, click on Change Host to finalize the transfer, and that's it. You've successfully transferred host privileges to another participant in your Zoom meeting. The new host will now have all the controls and capabilities that you had, including the ability to mute participants, manage breakout rooms, and end the meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.